How to make a window task run every time I enter my password, unlock the computer. How to make a window task run every time I enter my password, unlock the computer. System is Windows 7.
You can set triggers for tasks, as opposed to running on a schedule. Start Task Scheduler from the Start menu. Select the Task Scheduler library in the left nav pane. Select Action Create Task, not Create Basic Task, from the menu bar. In the new Create Task window, select the Triggers tab. Click on the New button. In the Begin the Task drop-down, select at Log On or on Workstation Unlock. Repeat and create a second trigger for the task that covers the one you didn't select before. Configure the rest of the task normally.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.